In this video, you will learn how to use the Bloom investing app for crypto. Bloom is an investing app designed to help users build long-term wealth by offering access to over 5,000 stocks, ETF, and cryptocurrencies. It provides financial shares, allowing investment with as little as $1. The app includes 300 plus financial lessons covering topics like personal finance, investing, economics, and also cryptocurrencies. These lessons styled like Instagram stories to help the learning engaging and accessible for everyone to get started with Bloom. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. After setting up your account, you can explore the educational content to enhance your financial knowledge. When you are ready to invest, you can borrow available assets, select your desired investment, and execute trades directly within the Bloom app. They also offer safety features, including parental controls and other security measures, ensuring a safe environment for investing. The Bloom app also shows tutorials on the platform, such as TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.